In today's video, I will walk you through how to add text behind objects in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer. If you do not already have it installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version. Once you are inside the editor, open the project where you want to create the text behind object effect. This effect is commonly used in cinematic edits and social media videos because it makes the text feel like it is naturally part of the scene instead of sitting on top of the footage. It works especially well when your subject is clearly separated from the background. Begin by adding your text. Go to the text tool inside CapCut and place a default text layer onto your timeline. Once the text appears, head over to the basic settings and customize it however you want. This is where you can change the wording, font, size, color, and overall style. Try to use text that stands out clearly against the background, so the effect is easier to notice later. After your text is ready, duplicate your video clip. A quick way to do this is by holding the Alt key and dragging the clip upward onto another track in the timeline. This creates a second copy of the same footage above the original layer. The reason for duplicating the clip is that the bottom layer will contain the text, while the top layer will be used to place the subject in front of that text. Now select the duplicated clip on the top track, go over to the Remove Background option, and turn it on. CapCut will attempt to separate the main subject from the background automatically. Once the background removal process finishes, move into the Chroma Key settings and activate the Picker tool. Hover your mouse over different areas of the background while watching the preview window carefully. As you move the picker around, you will start noticing parts of the text appearing behind the subject. When you find the area where the effect looks the cleanest, click to apply it. This helps blend the masking effect together and creates the illusion that the text is sitting behind the object in your video. If parts of the text still look uneven or hidden, adjust the intensity slider. Small adjustments usually work best here, because pushing the intensity too far can make the edges around the subject look unnatural. Once everything is lined up correctly, you should now have a clean text behind object effect that adds more depth and style to your video. This technique works really well for intros, edits, and social media content, where you want your visuals to feel more polished and cinematic.